going on, my S1000 Moto family? Hopefully all you guys are doing great. I have upgraded my gear, as you guys can tell, hopefully. I don't have a mirror, so I can't sit in front of it. But everything is tight. I got boots. I got just about everything I need, except for riding jeans. I'm just missing that part. But man, I haven't ridden in forever. I also changed the mic placement to a different area. Whew, man. I'm winded because one, I finished going to the gym, and number two, I also put on these leathers. So I have no destination where I'm going to. I haven't ridden this bike since we got back from Miami. The Flash tuning it back again. I want to see how she feels, because she was feeling a little weird at one point, and so I want to go ahead and give this a try. She's warmed up. Let's see how I feel with these boots. Oh my gosh, these boots. Whoa! She didn't like that. She did not like that. Okay. Well, I don't know what that was, but she jerked and didn't even go first to the next gear or not. I don't know. Let's go this way. No, let's not go this way. So, yeah, I just wanted to, I don't know what that was. I don't know what that light is. I don't know if that was there before or not. But, yeah. I don't know if she feels weird or not, but she feels better. So, after putting the Flash tune, I don't know what that light is. I'm not sure, but we're going to continue riding and see. So I've upgraded my gear, as you guys can see. Switch brands. I'm no longer with Alpine Star. I've had them for ever and a day, and so now I'm rocking Dainese.
I am here in Vicenza, Italy. We're at the headquarters of Dainese, and I'm here with the CEO, Cristiano Sile. Welcome. Thanks for having us here. We absolutely love it.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for being here. The good things about the Dainese group. Dainese has invented anything that was to be invented. These are all Dainese inventions. Wearable airbag is also a Dainese invention.
So, hermano, you are right. The correct saying is Dainese. It's not Dainese. Dainese.
Which is different for me. I guess at some point, if I can get like a reflection somewhere, I can show you guys what I'm rocking currently. Yeah, I wanted to try something new, and I really like the gear. I love the style and everything. I wanted to come on here really quickly and let you guys know that I thank you so very, very much for reaching out to me. The last video I posted, you know, letting you guys know my mom ended up passing away. It's an unfortunate situation, and oh my God, these boots feel so weird. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can't look that far down, but I'm rocking the Dainese boots. I want to thank you guys so much for reaching out and sending out your condolences. You guys have been amazing, and I mean, reaching out from all types of platforms. I'm really hoping that this mic placement really changes, because I know this helmet is loud, so I changed the mic placement for somewhere else. Holy cow, it is incredibly hot. It's not super hot, but it's hot enough. I don't know what's going on with that. Let me turn her off real quick and turn her back on, because I don't know what that light is. I know that it needs service. Maybe that's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is. I did an oil change at 3,000 miles. However, they never updated it in the computer, so it's showing that it needs an oil change soon. Because she's at 4,211 right now. So, but yeah, what do you guys think of the? I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's my outfit. You know, it's kind of hard to see. Holy cow, this bike feels taller with gear on for some reason. Either that or my legs got bigger, shorter, I don't know. You know, they say you get shorter when you get older. But anyways, what I was saying is I thank you guys for reaching out, and you guys have just been freaking phenomenal. In a moment of time where when you lose somebody so close to you, like mom was everything to me. We at least talked at least twice a week. It was such a tragic and big loss for me. So now it's just dad by himself over in Puerto Rico. He doesn't want to move anywhere. If you know how older folks are, they don't like it. So, alright, I'm gonna go hit up the highway. Woo! Let's go. Okay. This is it right here, baby. This feels nice. When you're going, it feels amazing. She did not want to go. I don't understand. What is happening? It's a quick shifter, I don't know. Maybe she needs to get used to it? No, no. That was odd. That was very odd. So we have Daytona coming up soon. I wanted to, this is the week before Daytona Bike Week. We're making some more content for the following week. But I wanted to make this something really quick, fast, and easy because I wanted to see, I just wanted to go and show you guys, kind of showcase the new gear. And just kind of tell you my struggles and just kind of talk about life in general and just everything that's going around. I wanted to tell you guys about this. You know, for me it was very hard to talk about. It seems like the more I talk about it, the easier things are. It's just been wild, man. Like, if you've lost somebody that big, like, I'll be completely honest with you guys and open. I did, a long time ago, I did lose a daughter. So this is like the equivalent of that. Yeah, I was very young back then, so, but yeah, it's just like the way life is, man, and this made me realize that I need to enjoy life. Just keep going, keep striving, and just enjoy as much as you can, because life hits you hard, you know, no matter what it is. It's, you know, you could be enjoying life and then all of a sudden, boom, it's just at a drop of a dime, they'll stop it, you can stop right there. It's just something that's part of it, and you have to accept it. You know, it's not easy to accept, but it's something that it's inevitable. We're all going to go there at some point or another. We're here downtown anyways. I wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing much better. I want to showcase a little bit of my new gear and break it in. This is the first day I've ever, like, actually... What are you doing, man? Then there's this guy. It's the first day that I've actually worn the gear while riding, so, you know, it's really cool. I like it. It doesn't feel as bad as I thought it was going to be. Because I usually rock gear, but this is like gear, like the real deal. I'm here next to Ace Cafe. And there's Dainese, which I didn't even know this whole time it was right next to Ace Cafe. Let's see if we can see that. Oh man, I'm looking good. Woo! Did y'all see that in the reflection? I want to thank each and every one of you guys for being incredible. You guys have been amazing. You guys are the true family. Just remember, you guys stay humble, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace! My man likes it, my man likes it. Yes sir, yes sir. So you'll be on camera. I'm on there too. My man. My man jumped.